Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day. So today we will proceed chapter 6 Arithmetic series and Geometric series, subtopic 6.2 Geometric series. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to use the sum formula for geometric series. For the sum of geometric series, there are two formula that we can use. For the first one is for r less than 1 and the second one for r is greater than 1. So the formula is for the less than 1 we have Sn is equal to a multiply 1 minus r to the power of n over 1 minus r, and for r is greater than 1, Sn is equal to a multiply with r to the power of n minus 1 over r minus 1, where a is the first term and the r is the common ratio. So we look at the first example. Find S5 of the geometric series in which a is equal to 27 and r is equal to 2 over 3. So because the r is less than 1, so we can use the formula Sn is equal to a multiply 1 minus r to the power of n over 1 minus r. So we just substitute the value of a and r into our formula. So when we calculate the value of S5, we will get 211 over 3. Therefore, our S5 is equal to 211 over 3. So we go to the next example. Find the sum of the following geometric series. So from the series, we can see that our first term is equal to 5. Our common ratio is equal to 5. So we need to find our n first, because we don't know how many terms that we need to sum. So in order to find the n, we need to use the Tn formula. So our Tn is 15,625. So the formula is ar to the power of n minus 1. See, so we already know the value of a and the value of r. So we just substitute into our Tn formula. So in this case, we need to ln both sides because we want to bring forward our n minus 1. So we will get our n is equal to 6. So we know that 15625 is the sixth term. So when n is equal to 6, because the common ratio is greater than 1, so we can use the formula a multiply with r to the power of n minus 1 over r minus 1. So as you can see here, we already calculated the value of S6. So our total sum of the first 6 term is 19530. Please read the question. From the question, our first term is equal to 6. The last term is equal to 1458. And our Sn is equal to 2184, and we need to find the value of r. So we can assume that our r is greater than 1. So we can use the formula of a r n minus 1 over r minus 1. So we substitute all the information into the formula, then we can make it as our first equation. For the second equation, we need to use the Tn formula, because we know that our Tn is equal to 1458. So AR n minus 1 is equal to 1458. So we need to rearrange the equation so that we can make it as our second equation. So our second equation is r to the power of n equal to 243r. Then we can substitute our second equation into the first equation. So once again, we need to expand and rearrange the equation in order to find the value of r. So from the calculation, r is equal to 3. Thank you and see you on the next video.